Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create tasks in Asana, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm in a project named Tutorial 2, and I have already made two sections, and the way you add tasks into these is click here on add task, write the task name, for example task number 3, and now as you can see that task has been created, and I can pretty much configure it however I want in these columns to the right. Same goes for section 2. Let's say task number 1-2, and now I have a new task, and I can assign myself, create a date or due date. I can add an estimated amount of time, for example 32 minutes. I can add how much time it took, and I can add the actual time, the budget, whatever. It really doesn't matter. Now that's it for the list. For the board, it's pretty much the same. You just click add task and then write the task name, enter the details. The timeline pretty much the same. It is all just different sort of views or different sort of graphic representations of those tasks. But as you can see in the timeline, you can click anywhere to create a task, and that's as simple as it gets, really. I'll leave the rest up to you, to your experimentation, but that is pretty much how you create tasks. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.